This is monthly chart of gold. Last week we again saw market testing this 10-year-old support and resistance. It made a low of 1745, test 1752 support. On last day of the week it tested all of the resistance 1790 to 1803. You don't need any AI or algorithm to get the support and resistance. All you need is to check 10-year price action of gold on monthly chart. We have only 1 week before next FOMC. Based on this big economic event, we have 1921 resistance and 1560 support. On monthly chart for sideways range, we have 1834 and 1677 support and resistance. For downside breakout, we have 1560 support near 50% retracement of this complete trend and 1921 hour resistance for upside breakout. Hedge fund trade both fundamental and technical. They buy gold at 1046 price right at the bottom and they wait until Fed start next QE. In the middle, trade war were making their money for free. After breakout of this previous all-time high 1921, price made all-time high. Since then, price are trading below this 1900 psychological resistance. When hedge fund buy at 1046, they were waiting for QE. Similarly, they sold at all-time high 2075 and waiting for Fed tapering. These people trade technical then wait for fundamental reason. When price made this monthly high 1834 after NFP, they were doubt that Fed will start tapering or not. In next NFP, you will see increasing job number and last week PM Modi said India don't need to worry about coronavirus. So effect of Delta variant and risk of another lockdown in India has gone. All of these things had increased the chance of Fed tapering. All of the sellers who are selling gold since all-time high since June FOMC, they are waiting for new lower low at 1516, which is market high made during trade war and 50% retracement of this bullish trend. From yesterday's speech, Fed had no reason to delay tapering. On monthly chart, we have two possibility. First, they sell again on FOMC or either they take profit on tapering announcement. This is weekly time frame. 1959 and 1903 is our resistance zone. If price breakout above 1834. Before 1834 we have 1765 and 1677 our support zone. After breakout of this trend line on weekly time frame, price are still trading outside this trend line. Weekly candle has tested two times this trend line but closing is always below this trend line. This is daily time frame. On last day of the week, price break out this upper trend line but closing of daily candle confirm this can be false breakout. Until price break this yellow trend line, it will not create a new trend. If this is a symmetrical triangle based on Elliott wave, the final wave E sometime go outside triangle. If price of gold are going down after FOMC and this is wave E, then it has completed its symmetrical triangle. First it will break lower trend line, then 1721, then 1677. The bullish breakout will be confirmed by daily candle closing above 1834, and bearish breakout will be confirmed by daily candle closing below 1721. Before FOMC, we have only 1 week. If effect of Delta variant has gone from US like India, then job number in NFP will increase. Since the beginning of this year, price of gold are going sideways. There is a lots of buy and sell entry inside this range. Soon it will break in any of direction, either in November, December or next year. 1677 and 1900 are our key support and resistance. This is H4 time frame. On last day of the week, price tested 1808 horizontal resistance. If this correction has made top, then it will retrace at least 50%. Before a monthly, weekly or daily time frame, we will get confirmation first on H4 time frame. If price close above 1808, then it will be bullish. If price break 1760 and make new low, then it will start bearish trend. On H4 time frame, 1808 and 1760 are our support and resistance. Breakout of any of these support and resistance will confirm new trend. These are monthly, weekly and daily candlestick. In last day of the week, price of gold were going up since market open. The rejection above 1800 can be profit taking of this bulls taking entry from 1721 or new seller taking entry before FOMC. For 4 months, 4 monthly candle has been trading between 1834 and 1677. Next candle can break in any of direction. On monthly time frame, 1834 and 1676 are our confirmation level. On weekly time frame, from 1763 to 1676 is support zone. Every time price go below 1763, somebody buy and take profit as soon as it goes above 1763. On weekly time frame, 1763 and 1834 are our confirmation level. On daily time frame, since 1721, price is making series of higher high, higher low. It has not made any lower low. On daily time frame, price action is extremely bullish. On last day of the month, it can make sideways correction or it can make retracement up to 1763. When price of gold were going down from 1834 to 1721, hedge fund were talking about fat tapering, but they changed their position on 1721. From the speech of PM Modi, one thing is clear: Delta variant will not bring another lockdown in India. If same thing happen in USA, then next NFP number are going up. There were only three reasons to delay fat tapering: risk of another lockdown in India, or decreasing job in USA because of Delta variant, and Evergrande crisis. Before next FOMC, Evergrande had paid their debt. Before next FOMC, all of these three reasons are gone. In last week of October and first week of November, price can break any of these resistance, 1834 or 1676.